Why do we sneeze? A sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour. But why does our body explode like that? Sneezing is a high-speed defense mechanism. When nerve endings inside your nose detect an invader like dust, pollen, or pepper, they send a panic signal straight to your brain. Your brain instantly coordinates a full-body reflex. Your chest muscles compress, your vocal cords tighten, and boom, air is violently forced out to expel the intruder and protect your lungs from breathing it in. A sneeze is a high-speed eviction notice for anything invading your nasal passages. Do you think you sneeze more when it's dusty, or when you suddenly look at a bright light? Pay attention to your triggers this week.